Homework, part 1. Add the Add Thing button, including the corresponding CSS. Let's do that. Looking at the static version, and this is the last thing we'll have to do with the static version for a while. Looks like it's just a button with a class of AddThing, a class that will probably change a little. So let's componentize that rascal. Let's make a new file inside our source directory called AddThingButton.js. We will, of course, import React from React. How's the size back there? That good? One more. We need some CSS for this thing, so we'll go ahead and pretend that that exists. AddThingButton.css. Let's make it exist real quick. This is a very simple component, so it can certainly be a functional stateless component. Let's go const AddThingButton equals an arrow function that'll return some JSX. I'm just going to paste that in there, change class to class name. Export it. Export default AddThingButton. Make it actually show up on our page. Back in app.js, we'll import it. Import AddThingButton from AddThingButton.js. Throw it in the markup between the header and the thing list. Self-closing tag. And there. Looks just like it, right? But hey, it's a button. Whoops. So we desperately need that CSS because that looks terrible. So popping over to our static version. I remember seeing that at the very bottom. Button.addThing. Let's copy this rule. Now we've actually been giving our components classes that follow the React naming conventions, so we'll name it the same as the component. Capital add, capital thing, capital button. So in AddThingButton CSS, we'll paste this rule, we'll change the selector, and keep in mind this GitHub thing. So we anticipate that we'll need that later, but for right now, let's just put AddThingButton here. And there we go. Looks just like it. All right, homework part 1, done. Add thing button.